Hello friends! In this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account in the OX Securities broker. After registration, click on this option in the dashboard section. In the verification section, you select a title for your name. Additionally, you enter your name in English, middle name, surname, and in this section, you register your name in the local language. You also register your middle name and surname in the local language. Additionally, your date of birth, mobile phone number, occupation, country of residence, full address, including city, area, postal code, and region. After entering all the information, click on this option. In the next step, you need to enter information about your employment status as well as your income. And in this section, you register information about your trading experience. Click on Next. In this section, you upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card. And after uploading the photos, in the proof of address section, you upload a photo or PDF of a bill or bank statement to verify the address, and note that the document date must be a maximum of 3 months old. After entering the documents, click on Next. In the next section, you can view the documents and information you have registered, and if you wish to change the information, you can click on Edit and make changes. Finally, click on Next. In the next section, you confirm the website's terms by ticking the box. You enter your first and last name to confirm the information. In this section, you select the desired platform. Additionally, choose the currency, account type, and leverage. Finally, click on Submit. A code will be sent to your email. Copy the code from the email and enter it in this section. Click on Next. We enter our account dashboard, and in this section you can see that our documents are under review. In less than 5 minutes, our account was fully verified. As you can see, good luck.